Can you ever imagine a chicken tandoori to become perfect without an oven or tandoor? No, right? So today I'm back with the world's best tandoori chicken, which is made without an oven. You can see the output here, and the taste is amazing. So let's start it. So I've taken 5 large chicken legs. It's pre-gashed, so I need to make the cuts again. But still, to show you, I'm making one. You can see here, you need to make it a little bit deeper. Then add a tablespoon of lemon. So you can add around 3 to 4 or even 5 to 6 tablespoons of lemon juice according to your taste. Many like their chicken tandoori to be a little bit of sour. I don't like it like that. So I'm adding only 1 tablespoon. So try to remove all the seeds, guys. So you can actually remove the lemon juice aside and remove all the seeds and add it to the chicken. That helps a lot. Then add a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Try to use fresh ginger and garlic paste. Then add a little bit of salt. I'm using around a teaspoon of it. Add 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3 tablespoons of curd. And our marinade is ready. So use your own hands to massage them. I'm telling you guys, you can massage, I mean you should massage it for 10 minutes and you'll surely see the difference. Like the end product will be totally different. Massage it for 10 whole minutes. Please, 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 I'm begging you, please massage it for 10 minutes. I'm surely telling you, you'll say like, wow Vamshi, your recipe is great. I will show you. Then marinate it for at least 1 hour or maximum of 12 hours. 12 hours would be great. Then for the seasoning, I'm adding half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1 cardamom or elaichi, then 5 to 6 peppercorns, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, then 2 lawangs or cloves, then a small piece of cinnamon, and that's it. You need to grind everything. Make it into a fine powder. You can see how fine I've made it. It takes like 2 minutes. That's it. Use your willpower. Then add all this seasoning into your marinated chicken. This was lying in the fridge from 12 hours. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of besan or chickpeas flour. Again, mix everything. Before that, add 2 tablespoons of butter. This creates a magic. Seriously, believe me, it changes whole taste. Then on a pan, medium flame, add a tablespoon of oil. It takes more later. You can add up to 3 tablespoons. Then put your legs. I'm cooking 3 at a time. You can see here. Just try to set them and cook it on medium flame for 10 minutes, keeping the lid. Again, try to just rotate them using tongs like this, and again cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Then immediately you should not open the lid because all the steam will go again. It won't stay cooked inside. Then after 10 minutes again, you can see brown spots started to appear, and add a chili. Just cook it on high flame for around 5 minutes. Just see that everything doesn't burn. That's it, you're ready to go. Take a metal skewer. If you don't have metal skewer, I'll also show you how to grill it on, using tongs. So you can see here, I've taken a metal stand, the metal skewer. I just kept it on low flame. I'm just trying to give it some brown marks. So if you are in a hurry, you can also make it in high flame, but trust me, if you make it in low flame for a long time, it creates magic. And that's it, guys. World's best, homemade, world's best, and better than the dhaba. I can assure you that the best ever tandoori chicken recipe is lying in front of you if you make it. So don't forget to make it at your homes. Comment me down how it came for you, and subscribe my channel FoodyRulz. Like it, share it, and thank you.